All right, Mike Simler here, Mount Comfort RV, doing another edition of our showroom deal of the week. This one is a 2022 Allegro Red 37BA. The list price on this, a little over $419,000. We have it on sale at $319,983. Some of the cool features on it is all electric coach. So we have the hydronic heating for the water and the coach. We have heated tile floors. We have in-motion satellite. We have Girard Awning package on the outside. That's just a few of the features we have. We'll go through some more as we go along here. Starting up here, these seats do spin around. They do have footrests on both passenger and the driver. Over here we have the sofa that has a pull-out bed in it, and it is across from where the TV is. I don't have it up right now, but there's a televator with the TV, and then this love seat is a jackknife. So you can fit a few people in here if you had some company or whatever. Make our way down here to the kitchen. I kind of like this feature because it gives us some more workspace. So now we got this counter space and all of this if we need it. And then our drawers here. Then we got the stove top here, and like we said, it's all electric, so it's got the induction cooktop. And we got more drawer space here. And as you can see, soft close drawers. And then we got the convection microwave up here as well. Here we've got the sink, two sinks, stainless steel. We got the sprayer pulls down, and then in the countertop here, we've got a plug with electrical and USB, and it kind of can hide it if you don't want it up. Then take a second to show you this view. So you'd be looking out on your campsite here. This nice view from the window, from the kitchen, I should say. You can see out to the campsite what's going on, and there is a blind on that, of course. And here, got some storage, got the trash can already in there. This side over here, we've got the workstation. So this obviously your dinette. This table will pull out, and there's two more chairs that fold up. So if you had 4 people, you'd be able to eat dinner all there together. But it's also a computer workstation. Over here, got this drawer pulls out. You can put your laptop on there, your keyboard, whatever you wanted. Down here, let's see if I can show you better. This pulls out, so printer, anything you might need if you're working on the road. And on this side over here, this drawer down here, you can put files in there. That's what it's set up for. We've got more drawer space here. So again, allows you to work on the road. A lot of people are doing that these days. All right, make our way down here to our residential fridge. Got the freezer above, and got an ice maker in it. Then our cabinets here, drawers are, the shelves are adjustable. And then here we've got the pull out for canned goods or whatever you need. And the 37BA is a bath and a half model, so here's the half bath. Pretty standard stuff in there. And as we make our way here to the middle, this has our keypad that I've shown you lots of times on these videos. Has all your lighting controls, your heated floor, aqua hot. You can start your generator from here. Shows you what's going on with the solar panels. It does obviously have solar panels on it too. You can see your tanks there, how full they are. You get your lighting page. You can turn everything on, off, individual ones. There's your HVAC. It does have two 15,000 BTU air conditioners, both with heat pumps. And then again, your heated floors there. Here's your fans, so you can control all the fans in the coach, and then your rear slide outs here. It does have a pocket door, so you have privacy. All right, back here in the bedroom, do have a king size bed. This does have the upgraded air mattress on it, across from the TV. Here we've got the drawer, dirty clothes or whatever there. And then your electronics go in here. It's got the satellite receiver in there, Blu-ray player. You can put whatever you'd like in there. And here's your closet, the automatic lights, so you can hang up whatever you need. And there's a few drawers underneath. Stash whatever clothes you need in here. And there are some cabinets there above the bed as well. Then on each side of the bed there are USB and electrical plugs, and little cabinets there next to the bed as well. All right, back here in the full bath, here we got the stacked washer and dryer. Medicine cabinet up here. This cabinet here just has your converter box in it. Then we got a few more drawers here for your toothbrushes, hairbrushes, whatever. Pretty good size shower there. And that's pretty much the inside of the coach. What we're going to do now is we'll close it up, show you guys how it looks, and then we'll take you outside and show you everything. All right, we close the slides up here on the Tiffin Red 37BA. We were just commenting, it's a pretty good amount of space in here. You got plenty of space to move around. You can get all the way back here. We can get in here to the refrigerator if we need a snack or a bottle of water, what have you. And then we can hop right in here to the bathroom if that's the case. All right, so now what we'll do, we'll take a look around outside and show you all the stuff out there. Now we're on the outside of the 2022 Tiffin Red 37BA. As I mentioned, inside we do have the Girard Awning package. So you got the Girard Awning over the door. The Girard Awning, as you can see, it's out. It's not quite all the way out. We didn't have enough room, but you get the idea. And then Girard window awnings. So obviously Girard is the best name in the industry for awnings. As we move down here, we got the Alcoa wheels. We've got our batteries here on a slide out tray, so it makes it easy to maintain them. Slide right out there. And speaking of slide out trays, we have one right here. So it makes it easy to get to your stuff if it's all the way in there in the middle. And we make our way down here, we got more storage. Those are the chairs there I mentioned inside for their extra chairs in case you have company or whatnot. And didn't mention the TV and the sound bar right there. And this is just your water tank here. And this is just an access panel to the back of the fridge, so your water supply for ice maker. And we got chassis batteries back here, and it's a little storage. You can maybe throw some tools in there or whatever. And another little storage compartment there. And make our way to the back. It is a 360 horse Cummins engine. All right, we'll show you this other side over here. Again, little storage. And here we've got the storage for the power cord, and then that's where you fill your DEF, your diesel exhaust fluid. All right, and here, there's the water systems here. This is where your water pump is, your water filter. This is your termination point for your black and gray tank. It's got a black tank flush. It's got a place here for your water hose, place you can mount water paper or paper towel, excuse me. And also you can turn your water pump on from out here. And this is just the other side, of course, of your storage. And then the tray pulls out this way. This box here, this is pans that Tiffin provides for the induction cooktop. So I already got some pans for you. And here you just have your aqua hot system for your hot water and the heat for the coach, and then your hydraulic systems. Okay, Mike Sinlier here This was the Tiffin Red 37BA. Give us a like, subscribe, give me a call if you have any more questions. I'd be glad to help you out. Thanks.